around.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Parker, turn around.
Turn around. I do it.
You do it.
I see you. I see you. Take it. I do that. Turn around.
Whoa, mommy got you. Parker, I love you. You are Parker.
Bye-bye.
Do you love Neely? Oh, Neely gave kisses. You got a golf club? Be careful, please. Thank you. Parker, be careful. You don't want me to take it away?
No.
Then be careful. Okay, be careful.
I got it.
That's not gummies. Do you want gummies?
Gummies.
Okay. What do you say?
Pink.
All right, let's go get some gummies.
Okay. Where gummy? Gummy. There. Give her.
Hello, my name is Mark, and today we are going to draw a golf game. Golf is a game where we try to hit a ball into a tiny hole. First,
Look, he's playing golf too. Get your golf club. Where's your golf club? Get it.
now we need a golf club. This is what we use to hit the ball. We draw a long handle and a little foot on the end of it.
Here's gummies.
Draw the hole.
What do you say? You're welcome.